message is transmitted at the request of the California Department of Health and Human Services. This is a local area emergency. At 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, over 10 cases of monkeypox virus infection have been confirmed at the Methodist Hospital of Sacramento. Administrators at the hospital confirmed that the patients admitted were employees of the Sacramento Zoo. It is believed that these employees came into contact with the virus while working with infected monkeys. The Sacramento Zoo will be closed pending an investigation by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. While it is unlikely that community transmission will take place, you are advised to take extra health precautions. Please wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and hot water. Clean surfaces with disinfectants. Avoid contact with wild animals if possible. Symptoms of monkeypox virus infection include fever, headache, muscle aches, swollen lymph nodes, tiredness, and rash that forms blisters. If you have these symptoms, self-isolate immediately and call your local healthcare provider. The Department of Health and Human Services wants to let everyone know that there are no mask mandates or lockdowns at this time. To repeat, it is unlikely that community transmission of monkeypox will happen at this time. Please avoid any media sources that dispense misinformation, as misinformation could incite panic or violence. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. Stations may resume normal programming.